In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to access your Sky Hub settings to change your Wi-Fi password. Check who's connected. Let's get started. Step 1. Find default login settings for Sky Router. Sky Router default IP address 192.168.0.1. Default username admin and default password Sky. Turn your Sky Router and find default Wi-Fi name and password printed on the sticker. Step 2. Connect to your Sky network. First, make sure your laptop, computer, or mobile connected to Sky Router either using Wi-Fi or wired. Step 3. Access Sky Router web settings. Open your preferred web browser and access 192.168.0.1 to URL bar. You will get Sky Router login page. Use default username admin and default password Sky and press login button. Step 4. Change WiFi SSID and password. Now from the top menu click Wi-Fi or wireless tab. Change Sky default SSID name and Wi-Fi password. Scroll down page and press Save button to apply settings. Connect your all Wi-Fi devices again with new SSID and password. And that's it. You now have access to your Sky Router settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.